I found my little rubber feet that goes on the Benz air compressor. So I had lost it when I replaced the compressor, and you never get these with it. So you have to save them, and I lost it. I knew I didn't have. I had to be careful and not lose it, but I lost it, and now I found it again. So I'm gonna replace it. So since I had lost it, I used a piece of a car mat like this, and made a kind of like rubber bushing, but wasn't as good as this. So I got to replace it, and I'll be good. I won't have to get UV Keeper to to make me another one. Plus, I doubt it would be possible because it's hollow, so it would be hard to kind of grip in the lathe while we drill out the center of it. So yeah, I'm gonna put it back. You see, that's what I did. A piece of carpet there, and screwed everything back so that it wouldn't rattle. But it's far from perfect, so I'm gonna take that out and put the new one in. I think it's a 7mm bolt, so I should have the right one with me. So let's get you. There we go. So. Nope, that's not 7. Okay, so that's a 8mm. That's the nut. Washer, yeah, you see? I did. It worked, but it's not perfect. And I found the part, so that's how it fits together. The spring goes there, it fits in the hole, and then you get a lot of damping in all directions. Pretty nifty system. So now I have to get this back in the flange here. And I think that's gonna be a bitch to do, but can only work with one hand. Oh, there's. There we go. Damn it. Come on, come on, come on. Oh, there we go. Well, it wasn't too bad. There we go. Then there's this, right there. The spring and the sleeve. There we go. pretty much it. Guess those springs, they're a little tired, but they don't come when you replace the compressor, so you have to use them. But you see, anyway, it's kind of holding on like that. And up here we got the fuse block, the valve body. You can see with all the lines going to each wheel. And then you have another one going to a tank. So pretty much you got this line here. Sorry. Got this line here going to the fuse box from the compressor. You got another one up there that goes to the tank on the other side. Yeah, go figure why they didn't put the tank here. They put it on the other side. And then you have one for each. And at the back of it there's solenoids, and the solenoid they open up to raise and lower the car. So that's pretty much it. So that's it for replacing the little rubbers. Yeah, it's kind of squeaky, but you see it's damped, so it doesn't rattle when it starts, because it packs a punch. This motor here is pretty much the size of a starter motor, so when it starts, it really it wiggles a lot. So that's it for now. Just another quick repair while we're waiting for the temperature to warm up. Still really cold in here, so we'll see what we can do, because I got to do body work and that doesn't work in the cold. So we are patiently waiting to get some heat. So that's it. You guys have a nice day, and talk to you. Oh, I don't need you anymore.